In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to finally understand Webflow in just 5 minutes. Webflow can seem a bit overwhelming at first with its robust set of features, but with the right approach, you can quickly wrap your head around it and start creating stunning web designs. Let's dive in. To kick things off, your first stop should be Webflow University. This is the official learning hub, chock full of comprehensive, step-by-step tutorials that cater to both beginners and those looking to explore more advanced topics. Whether you are just starting out or looking to refine your skills, these tutorials can help you gain a solid understanding of Webflow's capabilities and design strategies. Take your time here and absorb as much information as you can. Next, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the Webflow Designer interface. Pay close attention to the Add Elements panel, the navigator, and the styling options. These are your main tools when it comes to creating your web pages, so getting comfortable with them is crucial. Spend some time clicking around and experimenting with these elements. You'll find that once you're familiar with how they work, you'll have a much easier time bringing your creative vision to life. Now, let's talk about putting your newfound knowledge into practice. Start with a blank project and don't be afraid to experiment. Add various elements, play around with their styling, and arrange them on the page. This hands-on approach will help reinforce what you've learned and reveal any gaps in your understanding that you might need to revisit. If you ever find yourself stuck or looking for advice, the Webflow Forum is an invaluable resource. It's a fantastic place to ask questions and connect with other Webflow users who can provide insights or share their experiences. Engaging in this community can likewise open up additional learning opportunities and offer real-world perspectives on common design challenges. When you're ready for inspiration or a head start, remember that Webflow offers a wide range of templates. These can be excellent foundations for your projects, and exploring how they're built can offer insights into effective design techniques and best practices. Moreover, don't overlook the treasure trove of content available on YouTube. It's packed with Webflow tutorials spanning beginner crash courses to in-depth analyses on specific topics. Find a few creators who resonate with your learning style and make them a part of your learning journey. Lastly, remember that consistent practice is key. Keep building and experimenting. This is the path to truly mastering any tool. Recognize that everyone learns differently, whether it's through reading, watching videos, or engaging with the community. Find which method resonates best with you and lean into it. By following these steps, you'll find yourself becoming more confident and adept at using Webflow. Keep up the practice, and soon you'll be crafting amazing web experiences with ease. Happy designing!